Hello and welcome to the weekly business update. I am Melanie Silva, the Senior Manager for Leadership Programs, and I am here today on the Diamond Club sourcing trip on the beautiful Peppermint Farm in Corvallis, Oregon. And if you want a chance to be on this amazing trip, you want to get your Diamond Club applications in today because today is the deadline. So you want to join us? Get those applications in. And now I'm going to throw over this peppermint bottle over to Russ.
All right, thanks, Melanie. Hey, my name is Russell Butters. I'm the Regional Vice President for the Pacific region. I am so excited to be here in the Peppermint Fields right now with these Diamond Club leaders. Diamond Club is one of those things that will change your business. You think about what you can accomplish through Diamond Club. You're setting goals, you're holding yourself accountable. It takes determination, it takes grit, hard work. But I'll tell you, the one thing of all the Diamond Club participants that lead to their success is taking consistent action over long periods of time. That's really important. So to hear a couple tips on how you do that, we've got one of our top Diamond Club leaders. She's actually done Diamond Club several times, Jerry Lynn. So I'm gonna toss this bottle of peppermint over to her so she can give you some of those tips.
Thanks, Russell. One of my favorite things is the sourcing trip. So here we are, as said before, in the Peppermint Fields. The sourcing trips, the opportunities that it offers through Diamond Club is absolutely amazing. One of the key things I love doing is, we know Diamond Club is September, October, November. Guess what? I'm already filling my calendars with events and classes. So you want to plan ahead to be that consistent. Plan out, plan ahead, and set those goals now. And don't forget, if you don't have your application in, you can still get it in. So reap the rewards. The other thing I really love is all the free things we get for our customers. All of our new customers we bring on board. So cheers to you with the peppermint, and good luck, everybody.
Leadership programs is such a great way for you to give your business a boost. We're here at the Diamond Club trip, and I've talked to so many leaders who took advantage of the Diamond Club or Silver Club programs in the past, and it really helped them grow. It helped them learn new things about themselves, new things about the way they wanted to build their business, and it's so fun to see them here at the Diamond Club trip, having successfully graduated and learned so much, and in many cases rank advanced or grown their team by quite a bit. And it's really been amazing to just be here with all these people. Highly encourage anyone who's thinking about it to definitely sign up for Diamond Club season, which is coming up, or Masters Club as well if you're a diamond and above. And super look forward to seeing all of you here next year in Oregon.
Thank you, Isaac. Thank you, Geraldine. So you guys can see Diamond Club is a game changer for your business. It will change your business trajectory for sure. So as we wrap up this Diamond Club trip, I'm standing here right by the Funk Essential Oils Distillery sign. And if you look at this, it was established in 1930. So for 4 generations, the Funk family have been growing, harvesting, distilling peppermint here. When I think about building a strong foundation for your doTERRA business, there's a lot of ways to do that. Diamond Club is one, Silver Club is one, Masters Club is another. But that kind of comes in seasons. One thing that you can always do is take advantage of all the doTERRA resources out there. One of those things that's coming up on August 15th is the Foundations Workshop. This is free. This is one of those things, the product education that you need for a strong foundation for your business. So make sure you jump online, get a ticket. You do have to register for that, but August 15th is one of those things that can add to your business. So now I'm going to kick it over to Brianna, and she's going to give you one of her successes.
Roses are red, peppermint's blue. Want to find out how a 25-year-old is killing it and how you could too? Check it out. We're going to talk about Breanna Horak. Now, Brianna started in September of 2024, and she proudly represents Corpus Christi, Texas. And like the saying goes, everything is bigger in Texas, including her enrollment numbers. In the span of 3 months, 62 enrollments. Now, she's not a seasoned vet, but she is proof that when purpose meets action, age is nothing but a number. Now, not long ago, Brianna was living in an RV. No income, no plan, just a spark of faith and a vision bigger than her circumstances. She wasn't looking for a side hustle, she was looking for a life that meant more. and she found it through doTERRA. So Brianna saw her now upline living well, eating clean, traveling, building impact, and Brianna said, I want a piece of that. So she jumped all in, not with all the answers, but with a heart ready to work. Now here's what Brianna is doing, and so could you. Number one, follow-ups. But follow-ups that feel like real friendships. Sometimes she's scrolling through text messages and her exact words are, hey, I forgot to ask you, what interested you the most? No pressure, just real conversations that reopens doors. Now Brianna teaches classes. Foundational wellness and top 12 oils are the focus, but one class in the daytime, one class in the evening. And nothing flashy, it's all about consistency. The other thing is she keeps LRP language super simple. She tells her customers, all I'm gonna do for you is check this little subscribe box so you don't miss out on the product of the month. Now keep in mind, you can change it, cancel it whenever, you're totally in control. Then she follows up with, doTERRA will remind you, and I'll check in too. The only way I can't support you is if you ghost me. And she always follows through. One missed follow-up taught her that people often forget to use what they bought. And when they don't use it, they don't reorder. So she follows up, checks in, offers tips, makes sure they understand how to build healthy habits. This isn't influencer energy, it's impact energy. Brianna's not just selling oils, she's offering solutions. So if you ask her what's the magic, there's no magic. There's no secret formula. It's sticking to the basics, but doing them brilliantly and consistently. Just do a little something, Brianna says. The only thing that waiting does, it makes it take longer. Brianna, we see you, we celebrate you, we're tagging you in this so that the rest of the world can see what's possible when you show up with purpose and faith. Keep rocking it, my friend. You're not just the future, you're proof that leadership has no age limit.